In this video, I'll be showing you how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you have Discord on, whether you're on Windows 10 or 11. So as you can see, I have Discord currently open right now, so if you do, just go ahead and close it. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is go over and type in add or. You're going to see add or remove programs as one of the sections. Now, once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to see all your currently installed applications that are on your device. So then what we want to do is go ahead and find Discord. It's obviously going to be under D, and then it's going to show the version you're on, the company, of course, Discord Incorporated, and then the size. What I want to do now is press the three little dots, and then I'm going to see this uninstall button right here. It's then going to completely, uninstall and remove Discord and all necessary files from your PC, therefore saving you memory, and then you're not going to be able to open Discord again unless you reinstall it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.